Somebody save that girl, or I'm telling Mom you brought me here.
You little turd.
Please, leave me alone!
Leave you alone? During a purge?
Are you okay?
Yes, I have to find somewhere to hide.
Well, you can hide with us. Rick?
Yeah, this is fucking awesome. Morty, this is really cool. You want to help me out here?
Your vehicle, is it from the gods?
No. Yes.
My Nana!
Huh?
My Nana! We have to save her! Get out! Get out!
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Get the fuck out of the flying machine!
Oh my god, okay, okay!
Back up, asshole!
Come back! Rick, she took the car!
Are you fucking kidding me, Morty? She took my car and the gun. We're like the rest of these assholes now. We're gonna get purged, Morty. Heads up, rapists. Well, don't just stand there, Morty. Purge them.
Me?
No, me. Should I rub my liver hole on them, pick up a stick or something, and kill them?